Hi everyone, I'm Jerry. Was actually just sent this really comfortable desk chair. Could easily be used as a nice vanity chair for makeup or even a secretarial style chair. If you had multiple of these, they could even be used around a conference room table. Come in a couple of different colors, and I'm liking the material on this. Say it's this waterproof material, but it's very soft, very cushy, and this chair holds up to 300 pounds. One of the most notable features about this chair that I found was the fact this thing was extremely easy to put together. All of this upper piece here was all one piece, including the legs were all attached in one piece. So the only thing you had to do was put these wheels on here, these casters, and they glide really nice. And then you had to put 4 screws in underneath just to simply hold this base plate onto here, and that was it. And this thing is ready to go. Now 360 swivel, really nice pad, liking the fact that it has the integrated arms that don't get in your way, so that if you're getting in and out of this, it's real easy to do. You also have this lever here that allows you to bring this all the way down. To give you an idea of size, I am 6'2", weigh about 190 pounds, fits me really well in the seat, and even bringing it all the way up, plenty of room as far as leg reach and everything on this as well. Kind of comes up to the mid-back as far as the height of the chair. But really good swivel action on this chair, and it would work really well pretty much in anyone's home or office.